Stop. Don't say anything. Just answer this in your head. When someone says, "How are you?" does your brain freeze? If yes, this video is for you. I am Emma. Welcome to English Unlocked. And today, I will train your brain to speak English automatically in 20 minutes a day. In 10 minutes, you will say sentences without translating, and you will feel the difference immediately. But before I explain anything, let me prove it to you right now. Say this with me. I don't need to translate. I can speak directly. Say it again. I don't need to translate. I can speak directly. Did you notice? You just spoke without preparing, without thinking, without translating. And that means fluency is not far away. Today, we are going to make that feeling permanent. Here is what most people get wrong. They believe they need more vocabulary, more grammar, more study time. But fluency does not come from studying more. It comes from repeating better every single day. So let me ask you something. Are you here to study English, or are you here to build real English fluency? A student collects rules. A speaker builds habits. And today, we build the habit. Stay with me until the guided shadowing session. That is where your brain starts to change. Most people have a secret fear. They think, "Emma, I am not smart enough to speak English," or "I don't have enough money for expensive courses," or "I don't live in London or New York." Listen to me. None of that is true. The secret to speaking English without thinking is not talent, not money, not your location. The secret is the 20-minute fluency formula. Forget the hours you spent looking at grammar books. Those books did not help you speak. Did they? You know the rules, but the words still stay inside your head. That is because you were training your brain to be a library, not a muscle. Imagine your brain is like a field of high grass. The first time you shadow a sentence, you leave a tiny path. The 10th time, that path becomes a road. After 30 days, that road becomes a highway, where words travel from your heart to your mouth without stopping. This is neuroplasticity, and today, we are building your highway. Do you know why most people fail? They try to do too much. They say, "I will study for 3 hours today." But life happens. They get tired, and they stop. They skip 1 day, then 2 days, and then they give up. But anyone can find 20 minutes. You can find 20 minutes while you drink your tea, while you wait for the bus, or just before you sleep. This formula is divided into 3 simple phases. Phase 1, Psalm, is mindful listening. For 5 minutes, you listen to my voice, not to understand every word, but to feel the rhythm. Phase 2 is the shadowing workout for 10 minutes. This is the core. This is where you follow my voice like a shadow. You repeat what I say, exactly how I say it, even if you don't know the meaning of every word. We are training your mouth muscles. Phase 3 is free flow. For 5 minutes, you look at the world around you and you speak in English, even if it is simple. If you do these 3 phases every single day, something incredible will happen. You will hit what I call the fluency threshold. The fluency threshold is the moment when English stops feeling foreign and starts feeling natural. One day, you will be talking to someone, and you will realize, wait, I am not translating. I am just speaking. That moment is closer than you think. This is your day one. This is the moment you take control. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. You are safe here. There is no judgment here, only progress. Are you ready to start building your highway? Let us begin our mindful listening. Listen to the sound of English. Feel the pauses. I am here. I am breathing. I am learning to trust my voice. English is not a test. It is a bridge to a new life, a bridge to new people, a bridge to the person I want to become. Every day, I am getting closer. Every word, I am getting stronger. The next 10 minutes will change how your brain speaks English. If you stay with me, you will feel it happen. Now, we move into the heart of the formula, the shadowing workout. I want you to repeat after me. Stay very close to my voice. Do not wait for me to finish. Follow me like a shadow. Say it with me now. Today, I choose to speak. I choose to be brave. It does not matter if I make mistakes. Mistakes are just steps on my highway. I am closing the books, and I am opening my mouth. I am training my muscles. I am building my habit. 20 minutes. That is all I need. 20 minutes to change my life. I am not a student. I am a speaker. How does that feel? Can you feel the vibration in your chest? That is the sound of your new identity. Now, let us practice some real-life sentences. Imagine your morning routine. Shadow me. I wake up. I see the sun. I go to the kitchen. I make some coffee. I sit down, and I think, today is a new chance. Today I will do my best. I am happy to be here. I am ready for the day. I am speaking English, and it feels natural. Slow down. Breathe. Let the words flow like water. I am walking to work. The street is busy. I see a friend. I say hello. How are you? I am doing well. Thank you. I am confident. My English is part of me. Like my breath. I don't need to think. I just speak. Did you notice something? You are speaking faster now. The words are coming easier. That is your highway forming. Let us practice a conversation at work. I have an idea. I think we can do this. I agree with you. That is a good point. Can you help me? I appreciate your help. We are a good team. Now, let us talk about your feelings. This is where the identity shift happens. Sometimes I feel nervous. Sometimes I feel afraid. But fear is just a feeling. It is not the truth. The truth is, I am capable. I am growing. Yesterday I was silent. Today I am speaking. My voice matters. My story matters. I am taking control of my future. Take a moment. Stop. Breathe. Do you feel the difference? 20 minutes ago, you were just watching a video. Now, you are a speaker. Now, I want you to do something brave. Pause the video right now and speak for 30 seconds without me. Say anything. Describe your room. Describe how you feel. I will be right here when you come back. Go. Welcome back. That was you. Speaking English? Alone. Without help. That is the real power of this formula. Now we move to phase 3, free flow. Tell me, what do you see in your room right now? Speak out loud, even if it is just, I see a window. The window is big. Good. Now tell me, how do you feel right now? I feel tired, but I am happy. I feel strong. I feel proud. This is the secret of the 20-minute daily habit. It is not about doing it perfectly. It is about doing it daily. I want to tell you about the 7-day rule. Life will try to stop you. You will have a day where you are too busy. You will have a day where you are too tired. Listen to me. Don't skip twice. If you are very busy, just do 2 minutes. Say 3 sentences in the shower. Say, I am building my habit while you wait for your coffee. That is enough to keep the highway open. But if you skip 2 days, you are building a new habit. The habit of quitting, and you are not a quitter. You are a speaker. Let me tell you about Lena. She was a nurse in Berlin. She needed English for her work. But every time she tried to speak, she froze. She told me something I will never forget. Emma, for years I was waiting to be perfect before I spoke. But then I started the 20-minute habit, and I realized I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be present. After 30 days, Lena didn't just speak better. She felt better. She looked her patients in the eye because she knew she had a voice. Today she works in an international hospital and she uses English every single day. You have a voice too, and the world is waiting to hear it. But you must promise me one thing: consistency over intensity. I want 20 minutes, just 20 minutes, every day. You have completed your day 1 today. This is your first victory. Most people stay in the library. They stay with their books. But you came out into the world. You trained your muscles. I want you to make a commitment right now. Not to me, but to yourself. Look at the comments below. You will see a chain of victories. Write this sentence. Day 1. I am building my English habit. By writing this, you are sending a signal to your brain. You are saying, this is who I am now. I am a person who builds habits. I am a person who speaks. And tomorrow, come back, find your own comment, and reply to it. Write day 2. I am still here. Then day 3, day 4, day 7. When you see other people writing day 10 or day 20, let them inspire you. We are a community of speakers. We are English Unlocked. This video is your tool. Use it every day for the next week. Follow my voice. Let me be the coach that helps you build your highway. Do not worry about your accent. Do not worry about your grammar. Those things will come with time. For now, just focus on the habit. Just focus on the 20 minutes. Every time you shadow a sentence, you are becoming more fluent. I believe in you. So, take one more deep breath. Say it one last time with me. I am a speaker. I have a voice. I am building my habit. 20 minutes a day? That is my formula. I am taking control. I am English Unlocked. Thank you for spending these 20 minutes with me today. One day, you will forget this video, because speaking English will feel normal, and that day, you will remember that it all started right here, with 20 minutes and a decision to show up. If this habit helped you today, subscribe and let me be part of your daily routine. Turn on the notification bell so I can remind you to keep going every single day. I am Emma, and I am so proud of you. Keep speaking, keep believing, and most importantly, keep showing up. I will see you tomorrow. For day 2, bye for now.